Today, we're discussing Huawei's latest advancements in AI chips. As Chinese firms seek alternatives to Nvidia, despite U.S. sanctions, Huawei Technologies has started testing its newest N910C processor with potential clients in China. Huawei has sent samples of the N910C to large Chinese server companies for hardware testing and configuration. This upgraded version of the 910B chip is being offered to major Chinese internet firms, also significant Nvidia customers. Huawei's progress in chip advancements has been closely guarded, but it's clear the company is building a support system for the domestic AI industry. Huawei's rotating chairman, Eric Sujijun, stated that the company has built two computing businesses in the past 5 years to provide an alternative for enterprises' AI infrastructure needs. Su acknowledged that U.S. restrictions on AI chips for China are unlikely to be lifted soon. But this creates an opportunity for Huawei to offer computing resources via its cloud services operation. The N910B chips have become a top alternative to Nvidia's popular A100 chips in multiple industries across China. Huawei's Ascend solutions were used to train roughly half of China's top large language models last year. However, some clients hesitate to buy Huawei's AI chips due to bundling requirements with other Huawei solutions. Nvidia, severely impacted by U.S. sanctions, is struggling to maintain its market share in China. The company was barred from selling its A100 and H100 GPUs to Chinese clients in August 2022 and later modified those chips to create the A800 and H800. Washington subsequently barred these modified chips from export to China. Nvidia has developed the H20, L20, and L2 GPUs to comply with U.S. regulations, with sales of the H20 picking up steadily in recent months. Large Chinese cloud service providers prefer U.S. rule-compliant chips, ensuring access to Nvidia's technical support and maintenance services. Nvidia is expected to deliver over 1 million H20 GPUs in China this year, generating $12 billion in sales. Huawei's advancements in AI chips signify another breakthrough in China's self-sufficiency push in semiconductors. As U.S. restrictions continue, Chinese firms are increasingly turning to domestic alternatives. We'll keep you updated on any new developments in this space. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.